Maxie, what'd you get today?
The new Smasher!
The new Smasher! Look at that!
Get ready for some fun and adventures outdoors. Get ready for some roars from a ton of dinosaurs. Get ready to cook up some delicious food. Where is Max? Where is Max? Coming to you.
Maxie, what'd you get today?
The new Smasher!
The new Smashers! We were waiting for this for a long time, weren't we?
And we got the little ones, but we got the big ones.
We found the big ones now.
Yeah.
Is it the blue edition? The Dino Ice Age, yeah?
Yes.
It says Dino Ice Age Surprise!
Yes.
With over 25 surprises!
And look.
Oh wow, so what do you do? We have to, this, see? You can smash it, slime, fizz, stretch, freeze, and build and more! That's pretty cool.
Yeah.
You ready to open it?
Yes.
Go! More plastic. I think you guys need to use less plastic. Wait, there is a
Oh,
mark
there's
somewhere?
it.
Did you find it?
Yep.
Oh yeah. It's like the zip mark. Ooh, I want to see what's inside. How are we gonna do it? We're gonna smash it. What? Whoa! Look at that.
There's another map.
Is there a map in it? Ooh, we can see what's inside. What's inside? That's right. It has the scratchies in it, yeah? And we scratch it to see what's inside.
But I don't know what to do.
Look at that. So we got to start from there. 1,
Okay.
2, 3. You can use your nails, I guess, or you can use a coin or something for it. So what's the first thing we have to do? It says, oops, frozen dino poop. So we're gonna try to open this and see what's in there, yeah?
Okay.
Are you ready? Okay.
Wait.
Do we need scissors to open it, or can we open it without scissors? Okay. What is it?
It's really small. It's similar, like, it's like treasure eggs.
Does it smell like Treasure X slime? Ooh, let's see what's inside. Yeah. Whoa, we got eggs.
Oh, slime. More eggs. We got.
Whoa, that's lots of eggs. 5, 6 eggs. How
1,
many?
2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
6 eggs.
Wait. Oh, we got Fizz.
We got Fizz.
What the?
What's that? What's that?
You never don't see.
What? Look at that. My goodness. That's so cool. That, see, this is
Wait.
this is frozen slime. That's frozen slime. And what's that one? What's that one? Growing snow. What? Is this snow that's growing in there? How does that work? And what's this one? We've got crystal slime. And this one, yeah, is stretchy snow. Okay, so we got stretchy snow.
Okay, the first
got-
one we need to do dino poop.
Dino poop.
Okay, there is.
Is that the fizzy one, yeah?
Yeah.
So we brought this little plate thing over here,
Okay.
and we're gonna put it in there, yeah?
We also need this. Okay, we need to wrap it and be careful.
Mm.
Don't do it out of like parents.
Good job. So kids, please do this with your parents,
Yeah.
and don't do it alone.
That is sticky.
It's like
But
a poop.
you know, Play-Doh you can paint it
Mhm.
like a snake.
That's
Like
right.
a snake poop.
Like snake poop.
We need some.
What's this? This is dinosaur poop.
Yeah, but I need some scissors. Can you get scissors?
Okay, you can go bring the scissors.
But I want to open this first. What's that?
They're in the plastic. So we had the Stretchy Snow, Crystal Slime, Growing Snow, Frozen Slime, and the Fizz, what is it? Blizzard Bomb. And we got 5, 6 eggs over there. And this one, this is where you can put the eggs back together. Yeah? Maxie dropped one under the couch. Found the other egg, yes? We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And we're gonna smash an egg now. Are you ready? We're gonna smash it.
Hopefully we got in the a Yeti is the ultra one.
Is it? Whoa! Look at that.
What is this?
What is that? What did you get?
Wait, let me see what we got.
Do they have the names on the back? Yeah, they do. This is like a little mouse. Is it, or a mosquito?
Oh wait, we got this one.
Is it?
No, this one.
Let's see. What does it say? Sub-Zero mosquito. Oh yeah, it does look like a mosquito. That's right. It is a mosquito.
It's the blue one.
That's right. Sub-Zero mosquito.
This one is ultra rare one.
Let me see. Ultra rare glow in the dark one. Wow.
Okay, hopefully I want to.
So we're gonna try to collect all of these.
Yeah, I'm gonna try.
Smash another one. Ooh, that's like a lion.
Where's the lion?
Is it here?
Oh, there it is.
There. Wow.
Wait.
It is the first one. It's the first one.
A
Whoa.
little bit.
What's the name? Chattertooth Tiger.
Chester too is the. Wait.
Whoa.
Ultra rare too.
Is he?
Yes.
He was the first one on the list. Yeah. Look at that.
Wait. Let's open this one. Hopefully we got the ultra rare one again.
Oh, we're looking forward to
We
it.
got one ultra.
Okay, we can count down on 1, 2, 3 and smash it. Ready? 1, 2, 3, go! Smash! Ooh. Who is that one? Do you guys know what this one is? Let me see.
Wait, it's this one. It's this
No,
one.
it's a mouse. Sorry, this is a mouse.
No, we got this one.
Oh yeah, cold rat. Ha ha ha, cold rat.
Okay.
Ah. Okay, how many more eggs we have left?
3.
3 eggs left. Okay, should we smash all of them now? Yes, let's smash them. Ready?
Wait.
Okay, we're not ready. So we found it. There we go. Yes?
Yes.
So that's a dinosaur and it's gonna eat that. Oh, he picked it up. He pooped it out.
Whoa.
That was funny. You see the T-Rex
It was.
pooped out another T-Rex. So we have 2 more eggs. Should we put them in the dinosaur and let the dinosaur poop it out?
Yeah.
Let's do it.
Okay. Let's see what is his name.
Yeah, that. Is it? Cool Rex. That's his name. Cool Rex.
Oh yeah, I like him.
That's cool.
Okay, we got 2.
But I think that was funny that the the T-Rex and pooped out another T-Rex.
Wait, let's try double this time.
Can you do that?
Yes.
Is he gonna eat 2 eggs?
Yes.
What? So we're gonna see if Dino, red Dino. What? You have to close the bum. He's usually supposed to pick it up himself. But we're gonna see. It did! It pooped out 2 things. What? Oh, the other one's stuck in it. It pooped it out as well.
Okay,
Whoa!
What's the name?
You know what? Those are really cool.
Wait.
So this one
Oh,
is a
we got
mammoth.
Okay, we got this one.
Where?
This one.
Oh yeah.
And which
Polar dactyl.
and now which
That's pretty cool.
And which one?
Look at that.
Forgot.
Polar dactyl.
Oh,
And a mammoth. You know what? You got one of the rare ones, I think. There! Chili mammoth! Yay! That was cool. So this is one of the rare ones that we found.
Yeah, and see what is maybe it's like a dinosaur.
Do you think so?
Yeah.
It could be.
Okay, what's
This could be all the dinosaur parts, yeah?
Fizz?
So this is our next part that we're gonna do, yeah?
Yeah.
What is it? It's Fizz.
Yeah, we're going
Blizzard bomb.
We got 1,
Let's put all of these aside. Let's see how many you got.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
No, it's 1, 2, 3. Yeah, you're right. It's 5, 6. You had 6 eggs, yeah?
Yeah, it was
Okay.
6. But we got
The rare one.
and it glows to the dark.
Whoa.
Okay,
Yeah, you can put all these eggshells in there
and this.
and those ones.
And see,
So we like to keep them so we can. And with this, you can rebuild it. Yeah.
yeah,
You can build the eggs again. We have some of these in our other orange ones, and you can rebuild the eggs. Just look at all these eggshells. Whoa.
guys, it's something like
So how many more do we have? We've got 1,
1,
2, 3, 4, 5.
Wait, that's what I'm old.
That's
how
right, you're 5 years old.
Yeah, that's
And you
how-
5 surprises left. Yeah?
Yeah, 5.
That was really cool. I kinda like that. We got the rare one.
Now the next. Okay.
So we're gonna do this one first.
Yeah.
Let's cut it. Ready?
Yeah.
Let's go. Maxi was right. Make sure you guys do this with your parents as well, just to be safe. And this dust, make sure it doesn't get into your eyes, yeah? No eyes and no mouth as well. So we got some water over here as well, and we're gonna put the water on it, yeah?
I spilled it.
That's okay. You spilled it.
Yes.
Okay, put it slowly so we can see how it's gonna start fizzing.
What?
Hear that?
Fizzing. Okay, let's put some more. Whoa.
Whoa! Look at that!
It's fizzing.
Can you guys hear it? Can you hear it?
Yes.
That's so
Put them
cool.
all, put them all. Whoa. Wait, I can see something.
Whoa, that's cool.
Whoa.
That's so cool.
Is that, they can hear it?
Can you hear it?
Yeah. Wait, I see something. Wait, I see something.
What is it? What is it?
Wait, I see a leg.
Yeah, you can see it.
Wait, is that a leg?
It's like a bone. Whoa.
Drink it.
Whoa.
Actually, it's bone.
It is. It's like a leg bone. It says feet. Whoa. That's cool. Put it in the water and wash it in the water. Look at that.
We got the leg.
So we got the leg. Yay.
Okay, now what's the?
So what's number 2? Let's see what's number 2, yeah? What does it say? Oh, the claw. It's crystal slime. Yay. Look at that. I'm really looking forward to opening that one. That's the first one we found. It's like orange. It's one of the feet. Yeah, sure. There you go.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Whoa, what's inside? Whoa, we found another part. We found another one. We got 2 parts in there. So we have, I think, is it the body?
Wait, we have like 3. We have 3.
I think that's the tail.
We found another leg.
Cool.
Is that the leg we found?
So we got 1 leg there. You've got 1 more leg there. What is this? Is this like the tail?
No, it's a hand.
It's a hand.
Yeah, look.
I think it's a tail. Might be a hand, you're right, I don't know. And we've got the body of it. And it came with the slime.
No,
Whoa.
it's putty.
Potty.
Yeah, look.
It says crystal slime. But it does feel more like a potty. It's like harder, a lot harder. I like these ones better than the slime.
Yeah. Okay.
Cool. So we can go wash those later.
Yeah.
And then put them all together.
Okay.
How about we open one more? Is there more slime in it?
No.
Okay, cool. So we can open another one.
Okay.
So we've done number 1, number 2, and now time for number 3.
I knew it.
What is it? What? Growing snow.
Okay, now we need. Wait. Hopefully there's a way.
How are we gonna open that?
Oh, I got it.
Oh yeah. Ooh.
That was me.
We've never had this one before.
Yeah, we never, ever.
And we looked for it last time, we couldn't find it.
Yeah. But the way was next to that dinosaur. But
So last time we went, we couldn't find it. So we ended up buying this guy. The Dino pooper. He poops it out. We put it in the mouth. And he picks it up like and then you close it. And ooh, you have to close this. And then he poops it out like.
I did it.
You got it. I've never seen this one before.
Got some water.
What do we do? Do we have to put water in it?
Yeah, look.
Let's read it. Let's read what it says. This is not food. Yes, of course it's not food.
Oh wait.
Peel.
You
Oh, okay. You have to peel and put water in it. Okay, so I think we peel this and we put water in it. Whoa. Okay, okay. Go get some water. Let's put some water in
I
it.
want to see what it feels.
When you put water, then it becomes bigger, I think.
Yeah.
Go bring some more water. And I think 2 of the legs are in here. Well, his thigh bones are in here, yeah? His thigh bones. As you can see, they're really, really small. That's cool. So we've got 2 pieces there. 3, 4, 5, 6 pieces so far. Exciting. Max got some water? Are you ready?
Yes.
Go put it in. Put all of it. Put more, put more, put more.
Wait, what?
Whoa! It's actually like it's alive. It's growing. Okay. Look at that.
Whoa. Feel it. It's squishy now.
Is it? You're right. It's like squishy.
I got it.
You got one of them.
But how would
Ooh, look at that.
I got it?
It's like snow. And it's growing slowly too.
Whoa.
It's like it's alive. Look at that. Whoa. It does. Whoa.
Squishy. I think this is squishy.
More inside. What if we put more water?
No, it's not squishy.
Whoa.
Don't put it in.
That's really cool. Like this part, look at that. Whoa. And it feels cold. I don't know because we use cold water, but it just feels cold and squishy. That was really cool. That's my favorite one so far. Did you like that one?
Yeah. And now, wait, now.
Good job, Smashers. I like that one. Okay, so now we scratch number 4, yeah? Okay, what's number 4? Is it the Stretchy Snow?
No.
It is, isn't
No,
it?
it's not.
What is it? What is it?
It's that one.
Let's see, let's see. It's Stretchy Snow. It's this one. Cool. Okay, so this snow was really good. I don't know if that one can top up this snow. So this is what we're gonna do next. Stretchy Snow. You ready? Let's do Stretchy Snow.
Okay. We didn't find this one before.
No, we haven't had the Stretchy Snow. The growing snow, my favorite one. And this slimy, which is actually potty. Yeah? It's like potty. So cool. Let's see what's inside. Still slippery. We're gonna wash these pieces. What's inside? Is it? Whoa!
Puppy dog. I can't.
It looks like cotton candy.
I can't even stretch it.
Look at that. It's like spider webs or cotton candy or something.
Oh, it's like we went to the cave on the feed.
Remember we went to the cave as well and
Like
then put it on the ground, put it in here.
yeah, it's like
Look at that.
like bird, like
You're right.
it's like
It becomes like cotton candy. But don't eat this, kids. Make sure you don't eat it.
yeah, it's
It becomes like spider web. See, you got it on your hand. Look at that. And what are these? These are the wings.
Wait, it's the wings.
Yeah.
Wait, give me that tail. Give me that tail.
Look at that. Is it? What? We've got more. A lot more. You didn't even open them. Look at that.
These are the wings.
What does he have? 4 wings? Because I can see 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's see what they are. Let's take all this out. Whoa. Look at that. Go stretch it. Go stretch it. Look at that.
It's like cotton candy. You are right.
It's like cotton candy. Okay, I guess can we put them all like that together? Yeah. That's so cool.
Yes.
I don't know if this is my favorite one or this one. Which one's your favorite one? This one, the stretchy one.
Yeah, the nose man.
No, I know, but is it this stretchy snow you like more or you like the growing snow more?
Maybe I like both of them.
Both of them. Good idea.
And maybe wait.
That's the body, I think.
Wait.
But wait. We have one more still.
The head.
So it's a really tough one for me, guys. I don't know if I like the stretchy snow more or the growing snow.
The
This is really cool though.
green snow.
I've got to give it to Max. You're right. I'm gonna give it to Max. I'll give it to Max. Okay, so should we open the next one? The last one, yes?
I need to put. Wait, how do you put?
Frozen slime. And look at this. It's the head. You can fully see it inside.
How
Woot. Woot. How about we open this one first and then we put all of them together. You ready?
Yeah.
Okay, let's open it. Wait, what is that? It's Chopper Chop. Is that Lolly?
No, it's bubblegum.
Bubblegum. It's Chopper Chop's bubblegum. That's so cool. This is like cotton candy. Go. Whoa. Trying to blow it. Okay, nearly there. Wow. Can I see that? Can I see that? Look at that. It's like cotton candy. Chopper Chops. But it's bubblegum. That's cool. Alright, let's open it.
Wait. It feels like slime.
Is it?
Yeah.
Can I feel it? You're right. It does feel like slime. It's a lot more slimy than the other one. So I'm gonna move some of these so we can put it in. Wanna put it in here?
I can't even get it. I can't.
Whoa.
I almost got the hand, but I can't.
Can I get it?
I can't even get it.
They're stuck in there.
What?
You got the whole thing out.
And we tried.
Look at that.
Let's try.
That's so slimy.
Let's try that again.
Boink. Wow.
It's like the new Treasure X. It's like pop.
Pop, pop. Oh, we know that Treasure X has new ones as well, don't they?
Yeah, and part 5.
Be careful, you're gonna drop it on the ground.
There's part 5 now.
5?
Yeah.
That's a lot. Is this coming out? Yeah. Ooh, that came out pretty clean actually. Look at that. That is fully like slimy slime.
Okay.
That's really cool. Wow. Okay. It's time to build it, yeah?
Yes.
What are you doing?
Mixing.
You're mixing them all.
Yes.
Look at that. We have the snow, stretchy snow, crystal slime, frozen slime, everything mixed up. Yeah? Wow. Go put them with the snow. Put them with the snow. Whoa. Whoa. So there's a whole bunch of slime mixed together. That's pretty cool actually. What does it feel like? Wow, it feels extra slimy. Yeah? No.
It's a little bit.
It's like extra slimy. Wow. Cool, look at that. See? So now we got the tail left. You did a really good job. Maxie actually found out how to do it before I could. So it's a pterodactyl.
So, Daddy, what are you doing?
So we're putting this together now, yeah? And
Jay.
we're nearly done. Look at that.
This.
Wow.
We didn't done the tail.
Oh, we did. I did. Yeah, see? It actually looks like there's like a little fishy taking a bite of the tail.
Yeah.
That's pretty cool. The legs, the feet keeps coming off. We're putting them back in. And there we go. Wow, you like it?
Yeah.
That's so cool. Out, out, out. That's so cool. I really like that. And we had all of these. We had lots of snow fun. We had the ice, the potty, and the slime as well. Did you like this one?
Yes.
Yeah, the feet keeps coming off, so we have to keep working on that, yeah?
But I don't want to wait.
That's okay. We're just gonna fly with no legs.
But we can.
We can fly into the ice and the snow. So did you like the new smashes?
Yes.
Yeah? Which one was your favorite out of all of these ones?
This one.
The mixed one, yes? The mixed one. The pterodactyl, the final dinosaur. Alright guys, we hope that you liked the video. Did you like it, Max?
Yes.
Make sure you give a big thumbs up and subscribe to Max's channel. We really thank you guys. We have more than 50,000 subscribers now.
And now we got 51.
We got 51,000. We hope you subscribe as well. Hit the big thumbs up button and we can bring you more toys and playtime with Max.
Yay, Lena.
Yay! Bye bye everyone. Bye.